Hey, what's going on guys? This is Prabhat back with another video, and in this video I'm going to teaching you guys how you can reduce lag in PUBG. So as you guys know that PUBG was only for PC but not anymore. It has taken place in our phones too, talking about ISO and Android. If your game runs with 30 FPS and you simply follow my video, then your game can run up to 50 FPS. Just make sure that you check the minimum requirement, and the minimum requirement to run PUBG in your Android phone is 2GB RAM and of course a decent processor. Mine is 3GB RAM, which is more than enough. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
So first clear your cache, as it will help you little bit, I guess. So first you need to install GFX tool. It will look like this. So you need to search for GFX tool on Play Store. You can easily find it there. Just search for GFX tool in the search bar. It is graphic tool for Battleground. It will look like this. So install it, then simply open it. So first you need to select here 0.4 global. Then in graphics you can select balanced, which works really fine for me. You can also try smooth if it takes lag. And in resolution I will say select 1280 by 720, or you can try any lower. You can adjust settings if it takes lag, and in FPS 60 of course. And then you don't need to change anything here. Just click accept, then run game, and you're done.
Thanks for watching guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and guys, if you have any question, make sure you comment down below. My name is Prabhat and I'm signing